He spent his time huffing and puffing about. His asthma was dreadful. He could not play out.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Another story time. This video might have some persons feeling some type of way, but it's a really funny story. It's the adult version of the Three Little Pigs with a a twist to it. Now, since you're here, please like this video, share it, and help me grow the channel. Now enjoy the story.
Three Little Pigs by John Crowley. Three little pigs, that story you'll know, but it's all made of lies. Give the real tale a go.
What?
They were bullies and rude, so disruptive at school. In lessons, wreaked havoc to pupils, so cruel. They would tease and torment. They would punch, kick, and spit. They would lock kids in toilets and make them eat shit. But these bullies, whilst all pupils they would engulf, set their main sights on one guy, a poor, lonely wolf. He spent his time huffing and puffing about. His asthma was dreadful. He could not play out. But the main reason those pigs would bully him so, his poor wolf was a gay boy, a queer, a homo. It went on through years, 1 and 2 of his schooling. The 3rd and 4th year also saw those pigs ruling. But finally, 5th year, the wolf's temper flared. His fur stood on end, and his sharp teeth he bared. He followed one bully to his house of straw. He peered through the window, and here's what he saw. The homophobe pig, who the wolf's confidence torn, was sat in his room.
Everybody gay.
Gay porn. The wolf started huffing and puffing in shock. The straw door blew over, for it had no lock. Well, the piggy, he jumped, zipped his pants up and fled to his piggy's friend's hideout in his garden shed. The wolf started chasing with hate in his eyes and arrived at the wood hut for another surprise. The other pig sat, knowing not Wolfie was there, with a plug up his butt, blissfully unaware. He wheeled round in shock as the first pig burst in and screamed, "Not by the hairs on my cock-gobbling chin. It's the wolf, he is here, and he knows we are queer." And the wolf huffed and he puffed, and then he burst through the rear.
This one too much.
They were off like a shot, screaming out in pure fright,
Gay crew.
and ran straight to their friend's house, to Wolfie's delight. As they rang the bell of the other pig's place, he answered the door, dressed in stockings and lace. "Give us shelter," they squealed. "There's a wolf on a mission. Help us before he beats us to submission." But it was too late. The gay wolf was there. He was wheezing and puffing,
Can't believe my eyes.
ready to tear. And no sooner had they shut the big heavy door, he had kicked off its hinges and lifted his claw.
Wolf strong.
"Don't eat us," they cried. "We don't want to be dead." The wolf replied, "Let's have an orgy instead."
Alright, my peeps, thanks for watching. I hope you guys all enjoy. Now please leave a comment, let me know if you enjoyed, how you feel about the story. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink